how are you? I hope you all well. You are following my instructions. Wear your mask, use sanitizer, wash your hand with soap and maintain distance from others. Okay students? So, our subject is maths. Okay. What is our subject now? Maths. I am going to teach you maths. So, before starting, let's start from date. Today's date. Today's date 17 June 2021. Date Thursday. Today's date is 17 June 2021 and date Thursday. Okay? Class 3. Subject maths. Subject is maths. So student, yesterday what we learned? Our first topic, first chapter of the maths. What is the name of the chapter? Introduction to geometrical figure. What is the name? Introduction, Introduction to geometrical figure. Geometrical. Geometrical. Geometrical figure. Okay. What is the name of our topic? Introduction to geometrical figure. Okay. Again, today we are going to revise our topic. Okay. Yesterday I saw some pictures. Okay. I showed you some pictures. Which figure is this? Quadrilateral. Which figure is this? Quadrilateral. What is the spelling of quadrilateral? Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Okay. Next figure. Triangle. Triangle. What is the spelling of triangle? Triangle. 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 Okay. What is the next figure? Circle. Circle. What is the spelling of circle? Circle. Circle. Okay. Next figure. Square. Square. What is the spelling of square? Square. Square. And next figure. Rectangle. Rectangle. What is the spelling of rectangle? RECTANGLE. properties. Okay? See in your textbook also. Some figures are given. See, first chapter, introduction to geometrical figures. Okay. Which figure is this? Quadrilateral, triangle, circle. Okay. And these are the examples of which figure? In our daily life we saw many things. TV, mobile phone. Okay. Which shape is this? Rectangle. Bangle, shape of the sun. Okay. Pizza round. What is the example? Which example is circle? Okay. Now carrom board, slice of bread. Which figure is this? Square. Okay. So in our daily life also, so many shapes are involved. Okay. Triangle shapes, the slice of a pizza. If we cut a slice of a bread, we got a triangle shape. Okay. Okay. Now tell me.
शेंदरी नावाच्या वनस्पती
Shape and their properties. If we have a square shape, properties means what? Square में और क्या क्या होता है? Okay. Edges होते हैं, side and corners. These are the properties. Okay. Edges and corners. Okay, students. So we are going to study in detail. Square. Square have 4 edges. 4 edges and 4 corners. What? 4 edges, 4 edges and 4 corners. Okay? Now triangle. Triangle. How many edges triangles have? Triangles have 3 edges.
ओला
name of the figure, number of edges and number of corners. Okay? Which figure is this? Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Spelling of quadrilateral: Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Number of edges 4. Number of edges 4. Number of corners 4. Okay. Next figure, rectangle. What is the spelling of rectangle? RECTANGLE. Rectangle. Number of edges 4. Number of corners 4. Okay. Next figure, square. Spelling of square: SQUARE. Square. Number of edges 4. Number of corners 4. Next figure, triangle. What is the spelling of triangle? TRIANGLE. Triangle. Number of edges 3. Number of corners 3. Okay. The next figure, circle. The spelling of circle: CIRCLE. Circle. Number of edges 0. No, circle don't have any edge and no corners. Okay. So student, write in your notebook. First of all, write chapter name. Okay. And you have to draw like this chart. Okay. Okay students, draw neat and tidy. Okay. Take care. Bye.